Okay, alright. Only now this is being recorded. Sorry, tadi ada apa kesilapan teknikal. So, how is everyone today?
Good.
Good. Okay,
Good.
alright.
Good.
Nice. Okay. Today we are going to learn on speed lah, ya. Okay, topic speed. Oh, thank you so much. So under this topic, what we're going to learn, the objective of the lesson today, ya. Kamu kena explain the meaning of speed as a rate involving distance and time. Yeah, right. Okay. So, our success criteria, apa yang kita kata sukses hari ni adalah bila pupil, okay, ataupun semua daripada kamu ni boleh explain. You can explain what is speed and at the end you can able to calculate the speed lah. Alright. So, I hope all of you can lah. Let's get started. Yes, okay, the direction. Today we're going to look close up at the different ways people choose to travel. Okay, today we are going to look close up at the different ways people choose to travel. Ada banyak cara orang travel kan? Okay, you're going to watch a video. After that, you're going to watch a video and see a 3D model of an aeroplane. Tonton video dulu, kemudian korang akan lihat satu 3D model of an aeroplane. If you later model aeroplane tu dengan car, okay? We have two 3D models. Both of the models korang boleh pusing-pusing, boleh flip it, okay, up and down, right and left. You can check it for yourself. Lepas tu cikgu nak kamu explore two different trips with the same distance but with different speed. Kita akan lihat lah nanti ya. And then I just want to ask you a question. Have you ever traveled somewhere far? Ada tak paling jauh mana korang pernah pergi? London.
No, teacher.
Ada orang jawab London tadi. Seriously, I've never been to London.
Teacher.
Mana tu?
Thailand.
Thailand. Ingat London. Seronoknya teacher pun nak ikut. Lagi-lagi yang paling jauh? Anyone else? Tadi dah? Singapore?
No.
Tak ada dah. Alright. Okay. For me, if you ask teachers experience, paling jauh cikgu pernah pergi adalah ke US lah. New York State. Okay. That is long time ago. Yeah, when I was working with HSBC. Okay. Alright. It was a very fantastic experience. Now my question. Tadi ada orang jawab Thailand kan? Tapi tak semestinya yang lain tak pernah pergi. Dari sini korang pernah pergi KL kan?
Pernah.
KL pun jauh juga. Johor pernah tak Johor?
Pernah.
Perlis pernah tak Perlis?
Pernah.
Itu pun jauh juga. So yang paling jauh, okay, just imagine today you're going, okay, PKP dah habis, you all are going for a cuti holiday. Okay, just flashback balik lah Macam mana kamu pergi last time tu? How did you go there? Sangat jauh tau. Takkan kau nak kamu naik kereta. Lagi? Ada tak pernah?
Lawatan.
Lawatan boleh? Pergi dengan apa?
Naik train. Bus.
Naik bus, naik train. Lagi? Siapa pernah naik kapal terbang? Ada tak? Okey, tak apalah. Kapal terbang tak pernah lagi. Nanti korang boleh cubalah naik kapal terbang. Lepas tu, ada tak pernah kayu basikal pergi ke Padang Besar ke Johor Bahru ke? Ada tak? Tak ada. Dari sini suruh pergi Siti Awan pun korang dah letih kan naik basikal? Okay, okay, alright. So now we are going to watch the video, I guess. But before that, let's watch a video. There are so many different ways to get around. Okay, macam tadi ada orang naik bus, ada orang naik basikal, ada orang naik apa? Kereta, so many mode of travelling. Okay, depending on how far they are going. Let's say if you want to go to London, okay, katakanlah one day you got a chance to go to London ke United States of America macam cikgu beritahu tadi. How would you go? Takkan nak naik bus dari sini kan? Boleh tak pergi naik bus?
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh. So, ada different mode of transportation. Okay, dia bergantung. Kalau Amerika tu, London tu sangat-sangat jauh. Kalau korang naik basikal, kalau korang naik bus ke apa ke, of course, first of all, dia melintangi apa? The sea and everything, right? So, you cannot go using taking a bus or what. Katakan masih boleh, tapi masa dia, how do you think? Berapa lama akan ambil untuk sampai ke tempat yang begitu jauh?
5 or 6 hours ke atas.
5 or 6 hours ke atas. Cikgu pergi US hari tu pun hampir 1 hari penuh dah habis. Travelling dari hari ini sampai hari esok baru cikgu sampai ke. Itu naik flight tu, naik kapal terbang So memang sangat jauh. So imagine if you naik bus, katakan ada laluan darat kan. Kita boleh naik bus, bayangkan berapa hari akan sampai. So we're going to watch this video. It shows the different ways that people move from place to place lah. Before that, what's your favorite way to travel? Satu hari nanti kalau COVID dah tak ada, macam mana korang rasa nak travel? Nak naik apa?
Kapal terbang.
Kapal terbang.
Fly.
Lori? Cikgu dengar lori, betul? Ada orang cakap lori?
No.
I've never been on lori, I think. Cikgu pun tak pernah naik lori. Ya, betul lah. Cikgu pun teringat naik lori kan, one day, right? So, apa masalahnya? Okay, boleh je naik. Okay, kenapa kamu kata nak pergi kapal terbang? Ramai cakap kapal terbang tadi. Why?
Sebab dia dekat atas awan sejuk.
Oh, sejuk. Betul ke atas kapal? Cepat. Yes, cepat. Okay, let's watch this video. Kita tengok macam mana perasaan orang ni naik video. Naik video pula. Going in different mode of... this video you can play by yourself actually. Cikgu akan tekan student play. So just click together with me. Okay, you can play yourself. Okay, dah habis dah kan? Sila kembali. Okay, just for fun ya. Okay, kamu lihat apa yang nampak dalam video tadi tu?
Api.
Kenderaan. Naik kereta api, roket, lagi?
Kereta api, kereta terbang. Kapal terbang.
Kapal terbang. Okay, dah different.
Basikal.
Basikal pun ada kan? Okay. All different mode of transportation. Semua tu menunjukkan apa orang tu satu benda je dia hasil dia ulang. Apa yang dia nak tu?
Nak cepat.
Want to go faster, right? Yes, want to go faster. Now we are going to look at investigate a 3D model. Okay, kita ada 3D model of a car and of an aeroplane. Okay, you're going to look closely at the parts of each vehicle. Bukan apa, this is just for fun ya. I'm giving you a new experience. Korang actually boleh rotate tau. In your screen, actually use your mouse if you're using a laptop or use your fingers to move the model later. Okay, you can use your finger, touch the screen. Benda tu akan berpusing. While you're looking at that, just think about one thing. Apakah benda, okay, what are some of the things that you can find at car and in aeroplane that cause them to travel in different speed? Kenapa car macam ni kelajuan dia? Kenapa aeroplane begini kelajuan dia? Okay, let's begin. We're going to look at the model of a car first. Cuba pusing. Boleh pusing tak?
Boleh.
Boleh. Pernah tak pusing? Naik atas, bawah, kiri, kanan, boleh je. Now, remember the question I asked you. Apa yang membezakan kelajuan sebuah kereta? Dah puas ke main dengan kereta? Kita nak pergi ke
Yes.
aeroplane.
Dah jam dah tu.
Kita pergi ke aeroplane ya.
Yes.
Kita ada Boeing 757. Boleh main juga. Cuba pusing-pusing. Atas, bawah. Yang mana paling best? Kereta ke aeroplane?
Saya tak keluar.
Aeroplane.
Kita keluar.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Why aeroplane? Apa yang membezakan speed kedua-dua benda tadi tu?
Saya. Nanti teacher.
Engine. I heard someone say engine. Yes, another one. Ada sayap. Oh, very good. Lagi? Apa yang membezakan? Tak dengar saya.
Minyak dia guna banyak.
Kejap. One by one. Who's just perkenalkan diri dulu. Who's going to answer now?
Cara dia bergerak teacher.
Cara dia bergerak. Okay, alright. Okay, ada jawapan lain? Anyone else? Wing. Okay, someone said it got wings. Okay, that differentiate kelajuan. Lagi?
Bahan bakar yang diguna.
Bahan bakar. Okay, macam dalam kereta pun kita ada bahan bakar lain kan? If you go to petrol station, ada banyak.
Banyak.
Yes, very clever. Okay, dekat petrol station pun sebenarnya kalau kita pergi untuk kereta ke untuk bas ke, semua bahan bakar lain. Dia ada 95, dia ada 97. So, apa bezanya? Just now your friend say, bahan bakar dia berlainan. Dia punya kandungan tu berlainan. Alright? So, ada lagi sesiapa nak tambah?
Tak.
Okay, tak ada. We move to the next one. Okay. Okay, here there is a question. Everybody, you can type in your answers, okay? Just now we looked at we looked at the video, we looked at the 3D models. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, looking at everything. Yes, ada soalan kan? Apa soalan dia? How many variables are there? Berapa pemboleh ubah yang kita ada untuk determine speed? Kelajuan tu ditentukan oleh apa? What do you think? Kalau
3.
Okay, you can write your answers. Later we are going to check that out. Okay, you can straight away answer and then submit your answer. Macam contoh, while you are answering, I'm just talking a bit. I want to go from here, my house to school. It takes me only 5 minutes. Okay? Dengan kelajuan yang sama, ayah saya yang bawa ke sekolah. Okay, hari keesokannya, ayah saya juga yang bawa dengan kelajuan yang sama. Kita pergi ke Setiawan. Okay, kita pergi ke town. Kelajuan yang sama tau. Tapi sekarang cikgu ambil dah 30 minit. Tadi 5 minit je, sekarang 30 minit. Apa yang beza dekat situ? Ini untuk membolehkan kamu berfikir. Apa yang berbeza dekat situ? Ada orang cakap, very good. And then?
Ada distance, ada speed.
Okay, I want everyone to answer. Put down your answers there. I give you about 40 seconds lagi. Think and put your answers. Okay, I'm seeing good answers there. Iman dah jawab, Najmina dah. Zati ada masalah, Zati?
Teacher, saya dah jawab kan?
Ya, cikgu tak dapat scroll bawah. Alright, Kalisa, ada masalah ke? Okay, lagi Nadia pun belum lagi. Okay, yang lain semua sudah. Alright, ada masalah ke? Nadia, Kalisa and Izati, can you answer?
Tak boleh nak type lah teacher.
Oh, tak boleh nak type. Okay, it's okay, never mind. Alright, but you know the answer. Can you like verbally tell me apakah jawapan? Apa yang menentukan suatu kelajuan? What do you think?
Engine.
Engine tu okay betul. Tapi kalau berdasarkan apa yang cikgu beritahu tadi. Dari sini ke sekolah 5 minit. Esok kelajuan yang sama, enjin yang sama, minyak yang sama, kereta yang sama. But I'm going to Setiawan town. It takes me 30 minutes. Apa lagi yang menyebabkan kelajuan tu dah berbeza sekarang?
Speed.
Okay. Yes. Speed, you're right. But apa yang membezakan speed itu?
Distance.
Distance.
Distance, yes. Ke sekolah hanya 5 minit. Distance dia pendek kan? Sini kat belakang je rumah. Okey lah. 5 minit boleh sampai. But to Setiawan town, I have to travel how many kilometers? Okay, the distance. Lagi satu. What is the answer, yeah?
Time.
Time, yes. Time. As I've already mentioned, from here to school only 5 minutes, and from here to Setiawan town is 30 minutes. So time and, okay, very good. Two variables yang berbeza. What are they? Time and what again?
Distance.
Distance. Okay, good job. Okay, let's make a claim. What are we going to claim now? Apa yang nak muncul di sini? Okay, which car travels with highest speed? Okay, kamu nampak kereta oranye, kamu nampak kereta merah tu. Apa beza kereta oranye yang kereta merah? Apa beza dia?
Time dia.
Time. Kalau kamu tengok nak gambar sahaja, apa beza?
Jenis
Kelebaran.
speed.
Dia punya speed lagi. Tengok kereta merah. Dia pergi macam mana tu?
Merah tu terbang.
Terbang. Macam aeroplane sudah. Dah ada wing semua. Dah ada ke atas apa tu. Yang balloon. Macam hot air balloon kan? Okay. Now the orange colour. Okay. Can I ask someone to read the dialogue box in the orange box? Who's going to read for me? Somebody?
Me.
Okay. Alright. Please go ahead.
Okay, hey guys, I traveled from Padang Besar to Johor Bahru. It was a far ride indeed. It took me 9 hours and 40 minutes to travel altogether. 817.9 kilometer journey.
Journey, wow, 817.9 kilometers journey. Sangat-sangat jauh kan? Kalau cikgu dan kereta banyak lama tu, mesti dah pengsan dah. Okay, mesti akan pening kepala teruk. Okay, who's going to help me to read the red box, the dialogue box? Someone please? Yes, go ahead.
Oh wow, and for the same distance, it took me only 3 hours to reach Johor Bahru.
Same distance tau, 817.9 kilometers. Both of them are travelling from Padang Besar to Johor Bahru, same distance. Tetapi kereta orange tu 9 hours and 14 minutes. Meanwhile kereta merah ni 3 hours only. Distance sama. Kenapa masa berbeza? Apa yang telah menyebabkan masa berbeza?
Speed.
Speed. Now, which one is with the highest speed? Orange car or red car?
Red car.
Red car. Why are you saying so? Why?
Because dia ambil
Masa sampai dia sekejap je.
Okay, very good. Dia ambil 3 hours saja. Dia masa sekejap saja kan? Because it can fly. Okay, good job. Everybody can answer and can understand this. We look to the next one. Okay. Just give me a second, yeah. Just give me a second. Benda tu sedang berpusing. I think you're going to answer question. Ada apa-apa yang muncul dekat kamu punya ni tak?
Yes.
Yes, it's a question.
pusing-pusing.
Okay, dia akan datang sekarang. Slow sikit internet line. Alright. The question is, what connection do you see when calculating the speed? What connection? Apa hubung kait dia bila kamu calculate speed? Siapa lagi yang masih pusing-pusing?
Saya.
Okay, it will take some time. Okay, give it some time. Dia akan pusing. Ramai orang sedang jawab sudah. I'm seeing many people. Farah already answered. Shaza, Kalisa, very good. All are right answers. Boleh tambah Kalau ada lagi ideas, kamu boleh tambah. What connection do you see when calculating speed? Sekarang kamu nak kira kelajuan, the speed. Apa connection dia? Apa hubung kait dia? Semua benda korang dah cerita dah tadi. Just put it on the sticky note. Amalia Izzati dah jawab. Farah sedang jawab lagi. Very good, dia tambah jawapan. Okay, keep going guys. Maybe 3 more answers.
I cannot.
Cannot. Okay, no problem, no problem. Anybody else? Cikgu bagi 30 saat lagi. Then we will move to the next, which is very important. You're going to watch this video. Okay, a very good explanation by this teacher. It's okay if you can't answer because I've heard all of you say just now. All can say the right answers. Okay, 10 more seconds maybe. Alright, kita akan cuba lagi nanti ya. Okay, terima kasih kepada semua. Akila just answered, very good. Many answered time. Farah answered time, distance. Shaza answered time and distance. Akila distance. Kalisa distance. Amala Izati distance. Divide with time. Okay, pandai ya. Distance divide by time is the speed. Okay, now we are going to the next slide. Next slide is going to be a video, okay? And this video you're going to play together with me. Okay, student can play. Just click it together with me. Dan dengar elok-elok. You can take down notes. You can see exactly how the teacher is showing the examples. Very nice examples.
How do we know whether an object in motion is traveling faster or slower than another object? Consider two objects, Object 1 and Object 2, both moving along the same path. Just by looking at their motion, can you tell me which one of them is moving faster? Clearly, this one is moving faster. In comparison to Object 1, Object 2 keeps lagging behind. Hence, we say that the speed of Object 1 is more than the speed of Object 2. Speed is that physical quantity which tells us how fast something is moving. How do we define it? In order to know the speed of an object, there are just two things we need to know. First, the distance traveled by an object in motion, and second, the time it takes to complete that distance. Consider a car moving on a straight road. First of all, can you tell the type of motion it's undergoing? Since it's moving in a straight line, it's in a rectilinear motion. Suppose the time it takes to reach the other side is 30 seconds. Now consider another car which is similar to the first one. It's also moving in a straight line path adjacent to the first one. The time taken by this red car to cover the same length of the road is 40 seconds. The blue car covered the path length in 30 seconds, while the red car covered the same path length in 40 seconds. Which one of them was moving with greater speed? By intuition, we can say that the blue-colored car was traveling at a greater speed than the red one. Why? Because the blue car covered the same distance in lesser time. Let the length of this path be 420 meters. This path length is nothing but the distance that the car travels in a given amount of time. Now for each object, if we take the ratio of the total distance covered and the time required to cover that distance, we will get this. This ratio is called the speed of the object. Yes, speed is distance over time. Since this ratio is greater than this one, it means that the blue car traveled with greater speed. Let's bring in a third car which covers the same distance in 20 seconds. So what is its speed then? The speed is 420 meters over 20 seconds, which will give us 21 meters per second. And you can see that this ratio is the greatest of all. Now I want you to look at the units. Meters per second is one of the units of speed. There are many such units of speed that you must be aware of. For example, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, feet per minute, and so on. We will discuss more about these units in our future videos. Let's discuss something interesting now. Look at the example of one of the cars. Say car A. The only information I gave you was that it covers 420 meters in 30 seconds. That gave us the speed as 14 meters per second. I want you to answer the next question I'm asking you. In this example, can we say that the speed of the car A is constant throughout this distance? Are we saying that the car is covering 14 meters every second throughout the path? No, that's not what we're implying. Because maybe the car is moving at a really fast speed initially and then it slows down in the middle and then stops and then again speeds up. So this speed does not imply that the speed is constant at 14 meters per second throughout. So what is the speed then? The speed we calculated here is the average speed. In fact, in all the three examples, it was average speed. How do we define it? Average speed is defined as the total distance traveled by an object divided by the total time.
All right. Did you see that?
Yes.
Yes. How was it?
Yes.
Seronok tak tengok yang tu?
No.
Faham A very good explanation from the teacher there. Okay, dia bagi very good explanation. Apa yang korang faham? So what is speed now? How do you calculate speed? Just now Izzati put in the speed note just now. Apa tu speed? What is speed? Can you define speed for me? Anyone?
Distance over time.
Yes, very good. Distance over time. Okay, katakan sekarang cikgu tak nak cari speed. Cikgu dah ada speed, cikgu nak cari time. How do I do it?
Distance over speed.
Distance over speed. Yang lain setuju ke?
Setuju.
Setuju. Ada yang kata tak. May I know why?
Silap.
Silap. Okay, kalau cikgu nak cari time pula. Time sudah speed. Speed sudah distance. If I want to find...
Speed direct time.
betul. Alright, very good. Let's go to another one. Cikgu rasa akan ada satu soalan dekat sini. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, can you choose your character? Kita ada banyak karakter dekat situ. Seorang choose satu. Cepat. Siapa cepat dia dapat. Pilih satu gambar untuk mewakili diri kamu. Kita sedang berada
Kita.
sekarang. Kita ada Nadia, kita ada Iman. And we have Kalisa. Nadia dengan Iman boleh jadi kembar. Sama penguin. We have Syaza. Hai. Akila seorang lagi. Jadi triplet sudah. Oh, ramainya. Okay, masa sangat cepat Seminit sahaja kamu kena jawab dengan cepat. Get ready dengan pensel, dengan calculator, dengan pen. You guys are ready? Let me know. Cikgu akan start. Masa hanya seminit. Kena jawab cepat. You ready? Ada calculator?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready Can I start now? In 3, 2, 1. Go.
Dan bila jawab, cikgu nampak Syaza, Isri, Farah, Akilah, Kalisa. Okay, very good. Hai, good job. Dah habis jawab ke? Dah. Sudah. So, kita akan berhenti. Siapa pemenang? Nadia, 1569. Continued by Akilah, Kalisa. Good job guys. Semua buat dengan elok. Okay, kita akan tengok yang seterusnya.
Kita akan tengok seterusnya. Before we continue. Macam mana? Okay tak soalan tadi? Okay, don't do this yet. Just wait for me. I just want to ask you, how was the question just now? Can you do it?
Yes. Yang nombor 2 je tak.
Nombor 2 je yang tak dapat. Nombor 2 tu dia 1.5 minit sebab masa terlalu ringkas kan. So never mind, don't worry. You can still do the same question. Korang dah salin dah kan tadi nombor-nombor yang awak tahu. 8 minutes. It's a very interesting question. It says what? Seorang atlet, dia nak cuba jadi atlet kan? Seorang budak yang bernama Ezekiel. Dia nak jadi seorang atlet. Okay? Dia nak jadi atlet. Oh, ada orang dah cuba jawab. Okay, just wait for me. Okay, before we go to this one.
Sorry, teacher.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, kita akan nak ulas sedikit pasal yang tadi tu. Budak tu nak jadi atlet. So, setakat ni dalam latihan dia, 8 meter dia dapat lari dalam 1 saat. So, kalau dia nak prepare, dia nak masuk satu running event katakan, dia kena prepare diri dia. Dia nak tahu, nak latih berapa secara berkesan lagi. So, he wants to find out 1 kilometer, kalau 8 meters dia dapat lari dalam 1 second, 1 kilometer dia dapat lari dalam berapa masa dia. How long it takes. And the answer is in minutes lah. Okay. So, you can try that later and you can PM me answer also lah. Okay, now you can try answering this. Sekarang kita dah belajar setakat ni about speed. Now, I'm seeing Sharfa already answered. Farah has already answered. Write down anything. What is the usage of this lesson in my daily life? Apa kegunaan, apa yang kita belajar hari ni dalam kehidupan harian kita? Kalau tak ada maknanya lah kita belajar benda ni kan. Lebih baik tak belajar je. Buang masa kan. So, there must be something, the benefits of learning this topic, this lesson. So, can you do that for me? I want to give you about 30 seconds, maybe another 30 seconds. Cepat type in. 2 people has already answered. We will move to the, I think 1 or 2 more slides. You are finishing already. Okay. You guys are doing good so far. Keep going. Okay, I'm seeing the third person. Sharfa again. Wow, thank you Sharfa. You're doing a lot. Others? Come on guys. Kalisa. Okay. Good job. Siapa lagi? Sila tambah. What is the usage? Apa kegunaan? Okay, I'm seeing Farah has already added another sticker there. It is sticky note too. Akila. Okay, good. Najmina. Yes. Siapa lagi? Okay, Sharfa said for what? To do exercise and healthy life. Okay, kita boleh tahu speed to distance yang kita travel so that we can maintain our body to be healthy. Okay, hari ni kalau 1 kilometer, esok 2 kilometer pula kita jogging ke apa. Farah said preparing to know the time for some distance. Kalau kita nak macam tadi kan, travel from Padang Besar to Johor. Okay, we can calculate in advance and kita dah boleh tahu, oh berapa lama kita akan ambil untuk sampai, pukul berapa kita harus bertolak. Very good. Then we know about Syafa again added to go to some place faster. Good. Kalisa to go for travelling. Yes, very good. Farah to determine distance from a place to another. Okay. Distance. Tadi masa, sekarang distance. Okay, very good. Akila said we will know the accurate time for distance. Okay, very good. Najmina, higher speed. So that kita tahu kita ni sedang melebihi speed ke atau dalam, okay, speed yang determined lah. Then Farah said to be on time. Okay, I think that's all. Is there any more down there? Anybody else? Tak ada kan? Okay, we go to the last section, which is the poll. Okay, the last section is the poll. We're going to start this. Okay, korang jawab dengan cepat . The question is, what I feel on today's class. Ada 3 saja option. Okay, ada 4 I think, A, B, C, D. A is great, I can understand apa-apa. B, disappointed, I didn't get anything on this lesson. C, I am trying my best, teacher, but slowly trying to catch up. D, no answer, question mark. Okay, you guys are ready? Dengan cepat jawab Start. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, sila jawab. A ke, B ke, C ke? Jangan jawab D lah, tak ada answer. Cikgu nak. Kalisa, Najmina dah jawab. Oh, ada yang belum keluar lagi. Okay, we have Iman already answered. Anybody else? Masa nak habis, I think. Klik je, tak ada apa pun. Determine you are in which. Farah belum jawab, Izzati belum jawab. Nadia sudah?
Saya dah jawab, teacher.
Oh dah, okay, lambat tunjuk. Internet slow lah tu. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. This is the lesson for today. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. So hope to have more lessons like this that can make you to think harder. Okay, baru boleh jadi pandai kan? Okay, so thank you so much for attending my class today. I will see you again. Later cikgu akan bagi latihan pengukuhan lah. Worksheet, you try to do it. Semua yang melibatkan hot question. Okay, bukan soalan yang direct ya. Ini adalah semua melibatkan hot question. Try to do it and PM to me personally.